Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we have some exciting information to share.
Yes, we do, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we've got our magic bands ready. I've got my ears on, he's got his Disney hat on. We must be getting ready for
Walt Disney World! Wow, wow, wow! We are so excited to be heading back down south to Walt Disney World. We love going there. It is always such a great time. Before we do, we want to get Disney ready.
Yes, so we are going to start a new series here on our YouTube channel called Getting Disney Ready. And we want to share with you content like getting your baby equipment ready for Disney. How are you going to set up your stroller when you get down there? How are you going to set up your diaper bag so you are Disney ready?
Yeah, and we also want to show you what does it take to get our suitcases ready. So we're going to walk you through all the different tips that it takes to get our suitcases packed.
And one thing you may not have thought about is getting your phone Disney ready. We're going to share some tips of things that we do to make sure our phones are ready for taking all those pictures at Disney, getting that Disney apps going on your phone. We want to make sure you are Disney ready.
Yeah, and we also want to show you now that Disney Magical Express is gone, what options do you have to get to the parks? So we're going to show you all about Mears Connect. That's the way that we've chosen to get to the parks now, and we're going to show you how it works. Walk you through the process and show you how simple it is now to use Mears Connect.
Yeah, and if you need baby equipment while you're down there, we're going to show you an amazing way of how you can rent baby equipment through Baby Quip. So we want to share that with you as well. We want to help you get Disney ready.
And also, while we're getting Disney ready, if you happen to be getting Disney ready at the same time as well, don't forget all of the great content that we have right here on our channel, easily accessible for you as well.
Absolutely. So we've got lots of great playlists that are organized to help you find Disney content quickly. So we're going to highlight a few of those for you today. So one of them is traveling with an infant. This is new territory for us completely, but we've got some really great videos and we're going to link these right up here in the playlist for traveling with an infant. So there you can find things like how to pack for an infant, what kind of things can you do with an infant at Disney, travel tips, the baby care centers, all of those great things will be in that playlist to help you prepare for Disney with an infant.
Another great playlist is our Disney Springs playlist, and we'll put that right up here. And included in that is a lot of great restaurants that are in the Disney Springs area. Some of those are like Haleo, Rainforest Cafe, there's Splitsville, Art Smith's, Homecoming. We've done those restaurants. There's a lot of other restaurants as well that are included in there. We also did one that's all about top 5 free things you can find in Disney Springs. We've covered lots of different snacks in that area, so you can find a lot of great content over Disney Springs inside that playlist.
One of our favorite things to record when we're at Disney World is food. We're big foodies, so we have an entire playlist dedicated to food, and we'll link that right here. But our food content is all over the park. So we have some of our favorite places like Sanaa at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, Beaches and Cream. We have Chef Mickey's, Ohana, the Sci-Fi Diner, Be Our Guest. Lots of amazing places to eat all across the Disney parks and at Disney Springs. So definitely check out the playlist of some of the places to eat around Disney parks.
Another playlist you might check out is all about hotels at Disney World, because there are so many awesome hotels there, and we'll put that link right here. Included in there, we have all kinds of resort tours and room tours as well. So we've covered like the Polynesian, we've covered rooms there and resort tour Polynesian. We've covered Saratoga Springs rooms, we've covered the Dolphin, we've covered the Swan resort tours and rooms. We've been through the Art of Animation, the room tour there. We've been through several different resorts, several different room tours. I strongly suggest if you're looking to travel to Disney World that you take a look there and see if we've covered the resort you might be taking a look at.
And one more playlist we want to highlight for you is our Disney parks. So all of the Disney parks like Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Animal Kingdom, and the Magic Kingdom, we have a playlist for that we're going to link right here. And that's going to include things like what are our favorite rides at each of those parks. We've got our top 5 at each of the different parks that we've shared with you in the past. We've also done entire stage shows that we want to share with you. So if you want to see what Beauty and the Beast stage show is like, we've got that entire recording for you. If you want to see what the Festival of the Lion King is like, we've got that entire recorded for you. And then we also have a lot of content about the 50th anniversary that's going to go on still for several more months. So if you want any content about how Disney is celebrating their 50th anniversary, check that out at the Disney Parks playlist.
So I hope that us getting more Disney ready will help you get more Disney ready for the future.
Yes, we are hoping that our playlist that we shared with you today, that you can go back and rewatch some of our content, and that will help you get Disney ready. And we're also hoping that our upcoming series that we'll be doing about getting Disney ready will also help you plan your next Disney trip. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you've not already, like this video, give us a thumbs up, become a subscriber to our YouTube family, and until next time, we will
See you real soon. Bye, guys.